I know you guys hate lessons where the person in the video takes like 20 minutes to set it up and just talks on and on, doesn't get right to the point. So today, I'm going to teach you how to be the guitar master in 9 different genres in under 3 minutes. This might be my most important lesson yet. Genre number 1 is grunge. Wear flannel and don't play a guitar solo, ever. Gent. Cut your guitar parts up in a DAW like Edward freaking Scissorhands. And remember, more strings is always better. Blues. Be poor and depressed because you're a musician and you're poor. Shouldn't be hard. Jazz. Learn ridiculous chords. And then think you're better than everybody else because they don't know what a minor 7 flat 5 add 11 is. Metal. Well, which metal are we talking about? There's black metal and death metal and progressive metal and speed metal and new metal and gothic metal and post metal and power metal and thrash metal and Celtic metal, grindcore and industrial metal and sludge metal and kawaii metal and crust punk. Dad rock. Have a kid with someone and then have no time to play the guitar so that when you do pick it up once in a while, every riff you play sounds exactly the same. Punk. Don't you dare tune your guitar. Don't you dare. Classical. Remember what I said about jazz? Well, it's the same thing, but with a nylon string guitar. Pop music. So there's your list. I know there's more genres, but I don't feel like I'm an expert enough to educate you on the nuances of those fine styles of music. Speaking of that, if you feel like you need any more details on any one of these particular genres that we covered today, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I get back to everybody as soon as I can, because that's what I do. And until next time, guys, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.